Hello, this is NAVIFORCE unboxing review time again. Let's open the box to see what I have bring you today. As we can see, this is a multifunctional modem, and the number is NF9135. It's a multifunctional LED core watch. Okay, then this is the guarantee card. We will always provide you 1 year guarantee. And then it's our watch. Okay, here is the watch. And here we can see this watch we got 4 modes. It is time mode, chronograph mode, alert mode, and time setting mode. Okay, let me show you what are they. Now we can see all this dial now is the normal mode. It's the time display. When we press this button to see all the modes. Now here the ST means the stopwatch mode. AL means it's the alert clock mode. And now this is the second area expressing, means here is the time setting mode. And press again. Okay, now we turn back to the normal mode. If you want to know how to set every single functions, in next videos I will make another video to teach you how to setting each functions. Okay, let's have a look at now. On this watch we can see here the SA means it's Saturday now, and here the 10 means October, the 9 means the date October the 9th, and here 15 means the hour, the minutes, and the seconds. And this dial we can see it's used a woven patterns on the dial. And also there are 3 hands. The hour and the minute hands, we got the luminous content on it. And also this is a LED multifunction watch. Later I will turn off the light and show you when the watch I will turn on the LED button to show you the LED light. Okay, I will show you. Okay, now I have turned off the light and press this button to turn on the LED light. So it's very clear to read the time in the darkness or at night. And also we can find this the hour and the minute hands have a very strong luminance. Okay, I will turn on the light to show you more details. Okay, welcome back. Now we can see there are 4 small buttons around the case. These 1, 2, 3, 4 are for setting the multifunctionals, and this crown is for adjust 3 hands, the time adjust. Okay, now here is the genuine leather we use. has a really nice stitching of this genuine leather, and it is very soft. I will put this watch on my wrist. You can have a look. Hello, here is the watch on my wrist. It's very cool, isn't it? I think this watch is not only for men. If someone, the girls or ladies who likes the cool style, you also can make and take this one. It's very casual style and easy to match for your clothes or your style. Very nice. Okay, actually this style we have 5 colors. Let me show you later. Okay, here it's all the 5 color here for this model NF9135. Just now I have shown you this brown color watch. The strap it's brown, and then here are 4 red. No, this is blue one. This 3 is black strap. I will show you the details for each color. This is a black case with the white hands and indices, and the leather strap it's also black but with white stitching. And here the buckle, it's black color too. And here it's our logo on the buckle here. And we can see the crown has a red decoration on the crown, and also the logo on the crown. Okay, the next color. The next one is also the foot black one. The case it's black. 4 buttons black too. And also the leather straps, we can see the stitching are great. And also the buckle here is black too. And we can find the model numbers on the back case. Yes, this is the normal core watch. We usually have the 380M waterproof for this model. Okay, finish. The next one is the black combined the red color. Yes, we can see here on the 6 o'clock there are very large 6 numbers on these positions, and the indices and the hands are also red color. See the detail here. Also you can see the detail of the strips. See the leather, very good stitching, very soft and comfortable strap. would like to try this model, this red one on my wrist. Okay, show you this red and black one. It's very nice too. Yes, I love this color too. Okay, I will show you the last color is the navy color. Okay, welcome back. Here is the last color, navy combine the black color dial. Here we can see the number of 6 color positions and all indices are navy color. And also the strap is the deep blue color. Also the stitch chain is the same series colors too. Actually, this color is the best sells in our store. The barcode here is black color. Very smooth stainless steel barcode. Use the high quality stainless steel. Okay, this is all colors for this model today. If you want to see more other models, just let your messages on our video in the following, and I will show you the next videos in the next time. Okay, this is all today. Bye.